Hi there. Today our recipe is Ghanaian's fisherman stew, also known as Fante Fante. That is our recipe for today. You are all welcome to Eagle Eye Angle channel. So like I said, our recipe for today is Fante Fante, or Ghanaian fisherman soup with Fante Kenke. So today we are diving straight into the Fante land. It's a special delicacy of the people of Fantes in Ghana, and it's very simple to make. So today you and I are going to prepare this simple but delicious delicacy. So without wasting much time, let's go through our ingredients needed for this simple dish. So all we need for this is pepper, tomatoes, onion, ginger, and garlic. I forgot to add it anyway, which I've already blended nicely here. And then we have onion and pepper for garnishing, and I have a bell pepper, but this one is very optional. Okay, if you want to prepare your authentic Fante Fante, you don't really need this. And then we have our red oil, or the palm oil. Fante Fante is, you can use any other oil to prepare your Fante Fante, but if you want the authentic Fante Fante, it is prepared with red oil. Then we have our spices for it, and then our fresh fish for the protein. Fante Fante is not about meat, it's strictly fresh fish. Okay, and you can use any fish of your choice. Okay, then we have our salt to taste, and then our shrimp tablets. That's all you need to prepare this simple but delicious food. And we are going to enjoy this delicious Fante Fante with our Fante Kenke. Okay, so like I said, today is strictly Fante business. So we have our Fante Kenke. So let's get cooking. So we are going to start by putting our oil on fire. I'm going to add in our sliced onion. Then we allow it to fry very well. Then we put in then we add our blended tomatoes. So we leave it and let it fry. So our onion is fried and it's okay. So I'm going to pour in my blended tomatoes. Okay, that's the tomatoes, pepper, onion, ginger, and garlic. Give a gentle stir, then cover it and let it cook up. Our stew has been frying very well. So at this point, I'll add in my shrimp tablets. I'll add in the salt for now. I'll wait for a while, and then I'll add in my salt. The salt will be the last thing I'll add. Okay, so I'll let this fry for a while, then I'll add my other spices and then the fish. Then we are done. So we just give it just a few minutes, and then we add in our other ingredients. So we're going to add our spices. Okay, you can use any spices of your choice. Okay, I'll just use just a little. And I'll give it a quick stir. We're going to put in our fish. Okay, at this point, put it in gently. Good. Give it a gentle stir. We are going to cover the stew and allow the fish to cook. Then our stew will be ready. Now we hit the eating table. Okay. So our stew is almost done. So we are going to add in our hot pepper for more spice. Okay. But if you don't want your pepper to be so spicy, you just take out the pepper. Okay. And then you add a sliced onion just for garnishing, and then bell pepper, okay, which I told is optional, but I just love the flavor it brings to the fante. That's why I'm adding the bell pepper. Okay, so we just allow it to simmer for some few minutes, and then our stew is done. So checking on our stew, it's okay. So I'll taste for the salt, and then we go. Okay, so our salt is okay. So our stew is done. So we just take it off the fire, and then we dish out. Out to see our fisherman stew or fante with our fante dokun is ready. And me call fante funim. Your fante me your fante dokun why is settled. Until Mary Baba enjoy. I hope my fancy was that good. So all too soon, we are done with our food. Like I told you, it's a delicious meal, but very simple to prepare. So we are done, and here we are. So all too soon, our food is ready, and we are about to eat. I mean, our fante and our fancy kenke is ready. It's a very simple recipe, or the meal to make. It doesn't take time and doesn't take much to prepare. We say a big thank you to all our subscribers. Thank you for liking, sharing, and leaving your comments in the comment section. Please turn on your notification bell so I'll be the first to be notified anytime we upload new videos. Without wasting my time, let's get eating. And you are invited. Join me. I don't know what you. This is nice. You see? The fish is well spiced. And it's nice. Fante. It's very easy to prepare. And the interesting thing about this fante, you can eat it with your etel, your bangkong, your kenke, your rice. In fact, you can eat it just with anything. Okay, so please try and let us know how yours went. Okay. It's nice. Let me enjoy my food. Did you get it? That's you. No, it's nice. You get it. Please don't forget to like, share, and leave your comments in the comment section. We love you. So all too soon, we've come to the end of today's episode on Eagle Eye Angle. Thank you for liking, sharing, and leaving your comments in the comment section. And please let's keep the channel going. See you in our next episode. Eagle Eye Angle. Don't forget to subscribe. Eagle Eye Angle. Subscribe. See you in our next episode. Bye.